Hello everyone, it's Valentine's Day. So I thought I'll do a video for you for Valentine's Day and show you how to write I love you in 10 different languages. So we'll be looking at starting from English, Hindi, French, Sinhala, Italian, Spanish, German, Turkish, Polish and Portuguese. So without any ado, let's get started. Oh, and one more thing. If you haven't already, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and to receive notifications about new videos, please turn on the bell icon below. Alright, let's begin with English. So for each different language, I'm going to use a different style. There will be small changes in between the languages in the style of calligraphy as well. I love you. Next, Hindi. मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. I will be doing a flourished version of English and Hindi languages at the end of this video. So watch till the end so you can see my flourishing version of this. Next, let's look at French. Je t'aime. Next is Sinhala. Actually, I accidentally didn't record the actual video I did for this, so I had to redo this. Let's see. Mamoya dadari. Well, next is Italian. Ti amo. Next, we'll be looking at German. Ich liebe dich. Next, we'll be looking at Polish. Morocco armchair. Next would be Portuguese. Eu te amo. Next, we'll be looking at Spanish. Te amo. Last but not least, Turkish. I was actually surprised to see English letters in Turkish. I thought Turkish had a different style of scripts, but to see they are pretty similar to English. Seni seviyorum. Alright, we are done with 10 different styles, 10 different languages, one saying, I love you. English, French, Hindi, Sinhala, Italian, German, Polish, Portuguese, Spanish, Turkish, all 10. Done and dusted. So let's move on to our flourishings. We're gonna do 2 flourishings, one in English and one in Hindi. I'm going to use a flat nib for my Hindi writing. Alright, we're done with the two flourishings as well. This is actually the first time I've done Hindi calligraphy, so I like it very much actually. I anyway like the Hindi letters. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video of I love yous. Also, don't forget to comment below I love you in your language. If you like my video and would like to see more videos like this, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell notifications.